Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to enable or disable web notifications in Safari on your iPhone, so you can control whether websites send you alerts and updates. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps, then find Safari and tap on it. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, for the first method, inside the Safari settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced. In the Advanced section, tap on Feature Flags. This will open the WebKit Feature Flags page. Here, scroll down until you find the option related to notifications. If you want to enable it, simply turn the toggle on. If you want to disable it, turn the toggle off. For the second method, you can enable notifications directly from a website. Just visit a website that supports notifications, and when you see a prompt asking for permission, tap Allow. This will let that specific website send you notifications. For the third method, go back to the Safari settings and look for the Block Pop-ups option. If this is turned on, some notification prompts may not appear. Turning it off can help ensure that websites can ask for permission to send notifications. Using these three methods, you can fully control how web notifications work in Safari on your iPhone. That's it. You have successfully learned how to enable or disable web notifications in Safari on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.